The world of work is changing faster than ever before. With AI and automation growing at an exponential rate, some jobs are vanishing and new opportunities are emerging. But here's the thing, many of the well-known jobs we rely on today are in serious danger of disappearing in the near future. So, in this eye-opening video, we're going to talk about tricky jobs that will likely be replaced by AI. But don't worry, because it is not all bad news. While some jobs may be disappearing, new roles and opportunities are opening up. I'm going to walk you through these changes and most importantly, show you how to adapt and thrive in an AI-powered world. So let's dive in and figure out what's next for these roles and how you can stay ahead of the curve. Alright, let's kick things off with the first job, manufacturing workers. For decades, people have worked in factories building products, assembling parts, and doing repetitive tasks. But with the rise of robots and AI-driven automation, many of these roles are at risk. Automation is already revolutionizing industries like automotive and electronics. Robots cannot do things like welding, painting, packaging, and assembling faster and more efficiently than humans can. And this means fewer jobs on production lines and less need for human labor in factories. So, how can you survive this? The key is upskilling. If you're currently working in manufacturing, the best way to stay ahead is by learning how to work with technology. Robotics, AI programming, and data analysis are skills in demand. So consider training in areas like robotic maintenance or automation systems, where humans will still be needed to oversee the robots and ensure everything runs smoothly. And next, let's talk about truck drivers. You've probably seen headlines about self-driving trucks hitting the road, and while they might seem far off, they are closer than you think. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are already testing autonomous trucks, and unfortunately, they have the potential to replace millions of truck drivers worldwide. These self-driving vehicles will not only reduce the need for drivers, but also save companies a lot of money. And with the rapid improvement of AI in navigation and driving technology, many long-haul trucking jobs may soon be replaced by machines. So, how can you survive? For truck drivers, the solution lies in diversification. If you're a truck driver, you could start learning about autonomous vehicles technology and how these systems are maintained. Another option is to explore jobs that require human skills that machines can't replace, like logistics management, fleet coordination, or even driver training for autonomous systems. While it might take time for these technologies to be fully adopted, starting now will give you a head start. Finally, let's talk about customer service representatives. AI chatbots and virtual assistants have already begun handling simple customer inquiries, and companies like Amazon and bank institutions are using AI to manage customer support 24/7. And as we see, it is only going to expand. These systems can answer questions, solve problems, and even make personalized recommendations without any human intervention. So, as these technologies improve, more companies will replace human customer service workers with AI systems that can handle more complex tasks at lower costs. So, the question is, how can you survive? So that, the key is emotional intelligence and specialization. If you are in customer service, focus on developing interpersonal skills that AI can't replace. Work on conflict resolution, sales, or complex problem solving. AI may handle basic inquiries, but humans will always be needed for situations that require empathy and human judgment. Another option is to move into AI-related customer support, where you can help businesses train and optimize their AI systems. So, there you have it, 3 jobs that are at risk due to AI: manufacturing workers, truck drivers, and customer service representatives. But don't worry, the future may be changing, but it is not all doom and gloom. By upskilling, diversifying your role, and focusing on areas that require human creativity and emotional intelligence, you can not only survive but thrive in this new world. Remember, change is inevitable, but growth is optional.